Do you know that nearly half of new relationships end within the first year? And it's usually not because of cheating or betrayal, it's because of small, silent mistakes couples don't even notice. In this video, we're breaking down why so many relationships fail early on, and what you can do differently to make yours last. If you've ever felt excited in the beginning only to watch things fall apart, this will open your eyes. Point 1: Unrealistic expectations. At the start, couples often believe love alone is enough. But soon, reality hits: bills, responsibilities, stress. Without communication about expectations, the fairy tale falls apart fast. Point 2: Rushing physical intimacy. Sometimes people rush into intimacy before building emotional trust. Passion is high, but the connection is shallow. When attraction fades, nothing meaningful is left. Point 3: Ignoring red flags. In the beginning, we ignore warning signs, jealousy, disrespect, or poor communication. But red flags don't fade with time, they grow stronger. Point 4: Poor conflict skills. Most couples don't know how to fight. They either avoid issues completely or turn every disagreement into war. Both kill relationships. John and Emily moved in together after 2 months. At first it was amazing, but soon they fought over chores, money, and schedules. They thought love would solve everything. Instead, they grew apart. If they had communicated expectations early, they could have avoided the crash. The first year of a relationship is like planting a seed. If you water it with patience, honesty, and respect, it grows. If you leave it unattended, it withers. I've linked a relationship workbook in the description that helps new couples set strong foundations, with step-by-step questions you should ask each other in the first year. Don't guess, build it right.